1. Mobile app development. Start a thriving mobile app development business where you provide comprehensive services to businesses and individuals. This includes designing and developing customized mobile applications tailored to meet specific client needs. Offer additional services such as user experience, UX, design, quality assurance testing, and ongoing maintenance and updates to ensure optimal app performance. You can either work on client projects or develop your own innovative app ideas to sell or monetize through app marketplaces. 2. Website design and development. Establish a highly sought-after website design and development business that caters to a wide range of clients. Offer a comprehensive suite of services, including responsive web design, intuitive user interface (UI) design, content management system (CMS) integration, and search engine optimization (SEO) techniques. Focus on creating visually appealing websites that are user-friendly, functional, and aligned with clients' branding. Provide ongoing support, including website updates and maintenance, to ensure clients' online presence remains optimized. 3. ITSupportServices. Launch a professional IT support company that offers top-notch technical assistance to businesses and individuals. Provide a wide range of services, such as computer setup and configuration, hardware and software troubleshooting, network setup and management, and data security solutions. Offer both on-site and remote support options to accommodate clients' needs. Build strong relationships with clients by delivering timely and effective IT solutions to ensure their systems run smoothly and securely. 4. EcommerceStore. Establish a profitable e-commerce store where you can sell products or services online. Identify a specific niche market or select a product category with high demand. Create an attractive and user-friendly online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Focus on optimizing product listings, implementing secure payment gateways, and incorporating effective marketing strategies to drive traffic and increase sales. Offer excellent customer service and shipping options to ensure a positive shopping experience for your customers. 5. Social media marketing. Develop a comprehensive social media marketing business that helps businesses improve their online presence and engage with their target audience effectively. Offer services such as social media strategy development, content creation, community management, ad campaign management, and analytics reporting. Utilize various social media platforms to promote clients' brands, products, and services. Create engaging and shareable content that resonates with the target audience, and implement data-driven strategies to maximize reach and engagement. 6. Digital Marketing Agency. Launch a full-service digital marketing agency that provides a wide range of services to help businesses establish and expand their online presence. Offer services such as search engine optimization, SEO, pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, content marketing, email marketing, social media management, and online reputation management. Develop tailored digital marketing strategies for clients, ensuring their brand message reaches the right audience at the right time. Monitor and analyze campaign performance to optimize results and provide regular reporting to clients. 7. CybersecurityConsulting. Establish a reputable cybersecurity consulting firm that specializes in helping businesses protect their digital assets from evolving threats. Offer comprehensive services such as vulnerability assessments, penetration testing, security audits, policy development, and employee training. Assist clients in identifying and mitigating potential risks, implementing robust security measures, and ensuring compliance with data protection regulations. Stay up to date with the latest security trends and technologies to provide clients with effective and reliable cybersecurity solutions. 8. Data analytics. Start a data analytics business that empowers businesses to harness the power of data for informed decision-making. Offer services such as data collection, organization, analysis, visualization, and predictive modeling. Help clients uncover valuable insights and trends within their data to optimize operations, identify growth opportunities, and improve overall performance. Develop user-friendly dashboards and reports that provide actionable recommendations based on data-driven insights. 9. Software as a Service, SaaS. Develop and sell innovative software solutions as a service to businesses. Identify specific industries or niches where there is a demand for software solutions. Create scalable and user-friendly software products that solve industry-specific problems or enhance operational efficiency. Offer subscription-based models with tiered pricing plans, providing different levels of features and support. Continuously update and improve your software based on customer feedback and emerging market trends. Provide excellent customer support and establish strong relationships with clients to ensure their satisfaction and retention. 10. Cloud computing services. Offer comprehensive cloud computing services to businesses seeking scalable and cost-effective solutions. Provide services such as cloud storage, data backup and recovery, virtual machine provisioning, and cloud migration assistance. Help clients assess their infrastructure needs, choose the right cloud platform, e.g., Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and optimize resource allocation. Ensure data security and compliance by implementing robust access controls and encryption protocols. Offer ongoing monitoring, support, and scalability options to meet clients' evolving requirements. 11. Virtual reality, VR, experience. Build an exciting business focused on creating immersive virtual reality experiences. Develop virtual environments, games, simulations, or training modules that provide users with engaging and interactive experiences. Target industries such as gaming, real estate, tourism, education, or healthcare. Collaborate with clients to understand their specific goals and create tailored VR solutions to meet their needs. Stay updated with the latest VR technologies and explore partnerships to access cutting-edge hardware and software tools. 12. Internet of Things, IoT, Consulting. Help businesses harness the potential of IoT technologies to improve efficiency and connectivity. Provide consultancy services to guide clients in identifying IoT use cases, selecting appropriate devices and sensors, designing data collection and analysis systems, and ensuring data privacy and security. Develop customized IoT solutions tailored to specific industries, such as smart home automation, industrial monitoring, or healthcare applications. Collaborate with hardware and software providers to offer end-to-end IoT solutions. 13. iChatbot development. Create intelligent chatbots to streamline customer support and lead generation for businesses. Develop chatbots that can understand and respond to customer inquiries, automate repetitive tasks, and provide personalized interactions. Customize chatbots based on clients' industry and requirements, integrating them into websites, messaging platforms, or voice assistants. Offer ongoing maintenance, optimization, and training to improve chatbot performance and enhance the user experience. Stay updated with the latest advancements in natural language processing and machine learning to continuously enhance your chatbot capabilities. 14. Drone services. Provide high-quality aerial photography, videography, mapping, or inspection services using drones. Cater to industries such as real estate, construction, agriculture, event management, or environmental monitoring. Offer professional drone pilots and advanced imaging technology to capture stunning visuals and collect data from unique perspectives. Ensure compliance with local regulations and safety guidelines. Process and deliver actionable insights derived from drone data, providing clients with valuable information for decision-making and improving operational efficiency. 15. Online courses and training. Create and sell online courses and training programs on various technology-related topics. Develop comprehensive and engaging courses on subjects such as programming languages, web development, graphic design, data science, or cybersecurity. Offer video lessons, interactive exercises, and quizzes to facilitate effective learning. Leverage e-learning platforms or build your own learning management system to host and deliver courses. Provide certificates upon completion and offer ongoing support to learners through forums or Q&A sessions.